Josiasa manie kweth mar Azimio okone Kenya Alliance kod Kenya Alliance okwedo sirikand William Ruto kagiwacho ni piny owacho masani donjore kod chenro mag doho tok chik. Akwede makamae biro manodiochieng' achiel tok kane doho wito oko buch mibadhi manyocha mieno Jalup jatend piny Buch Gachagua. Gavana Masea James Orengo kod jaod bura mar Arieda Otiende Amolo ne oseyo sirikal kagiwacho ni gibiro medo keto piny owacho tesre maneno ni jopiny oyudo ratichgi. Negiloso nyasi mar yawo kambi mar loso pi olemo e alwora maramba e kar chung' od bura mar Arieda.
At this point, I'll invite the director, Mr. Mano.
It is obvious, and I can tell this without fear of contradiction, that if the Deputy President Gachagua was not the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, his case would not have been withdrawn. It is being withdrawn because he is the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. That is an abuse of the criminal justice system. Because there are many Kenyans also who have cases before the courts of law, whose cases do not deserve to be in the courts of law. They cannot get their cases withdrawn because they are lesser beings.
We will cooperate with the government, but we do not need to submit. No one needs to come and tell us that in order to get development, go and join UDA. We will not join. Hello? I want to assure you, Jorarieda, Nuyere ODM or Kadiwe ODM, Nadie UDA, ni in the name of development. Development is working with Governor Orengo so that we do the things we are doing here today. I do not need to join UDA for development. Hello? Development is utilizing CDF monies to do the roads, to do the schools in Rarieda constituency. Do not go there and claim you are going in the name of the people of Rarieda when you are going in the name of your